Welcome to our Zavi Creator Academy showroom. For creators, we offer both online and offline services. The online one is to produce shoppable content from your home and all without waiting and getting any samples. All you have to do is sign up to the showroom platform and search for the product you want to promote. Check the high commission you can enjoy. Then, copy the product link and add it to your TikTok showcase. Using the footage our crew uploaded, creating your own AI avatar in our Zavi GPT-powered video tool to produce dozens of videos with a couple
Feeling
clicks.
exhausted and sluggish, I struggle to keep up with daily tasks. Scrolling online.
For the second option, you can also book offline visit to our showroom, a fun space for those aiming to earn big. Here, you can hold the products in your own hands and verify the quality. Use the facilities in our showroom to produce original content. Later, you can use this content footage in our Zavi GPT-powered video tool to produce hundreds of videos, enough to last about a month. Ready to sell like crazy? Sign up and join us now!